At Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, being African means embracing our shared identity, which is shaped in pride, in unity, and culture across the African continent. Happy African Union Day.
Perseverance.
Rich natural resources.
Beautiful diversity. Heritage.
Progress.
Resilience. Creativity.
Inclusivity.
Africa is where we are from. We are proud to be African.
Happy African Union Day from Prudential Life Insurance Ghana. We celebrate what it means to be African, united in purpose, culture, and identity. One Africa, one future.